Sup guys, today I'm unboxing the HyperX Cloud 2 that I just bought. I got it for $145 actually. There was a discount. Here are the specs. I actually was debating whether to get this or the Razer Kraken Chroma 7.1, but I saw online forums and reviews and they said this one was the better choice, so yeah, I got it. This is actually cheaper than the Kraken Chroma. At my local store it was about $161 to $169. So yeah, and I live in Singapore, so that can be a gauge for Singaporeans. At the side it says the description of the HyperX Cloud 2, and at this side they tell you the important stuff of the headset. You can pause and read if you want. And at this side, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox it. Whoa, so hyped for this, man. I heard so many good reviews about this, man. Even at the local store. This is damn hard to peel. You can really tell it's brand new in the box because it's finally. Okay, put this here and then let's reveal this. Trying to keep the box as mint as possible. Nice. Once you open the box, this is what you will see. Another red box. Take out the red box. Oh my god. Looks so premium. Inside the box there's nothing else. Okay, once we take out and we lift up the box, doesn't slide out like a Apple product. Actually, it's quite hard to open. Oh, okay. You get greeted by this Cloud 2 Quick Start Guide, and keep this here first. Wow, it really looks very premium. Ooh, what in the hub? Wow. Wow. I am so loving this, man. It feels so good. Extra ear muffs to change. The attachable microphone. It's bendable too. And this to plug in to, I think, amplifiers, if I'm not wrong. And what is this? Am I supposed to take this out? Wow, they gave this. What is this? To keep your headphones. A very nice textured bag and soft too. Okay, and there you have it, the top dog of this box. You get to connect it to other stuff. You can use it as a headphone when you bring out, or you can plug it in. It's very unique design, because I saw like Steel Series you can actually pull out and slot back in from the side. I think that's very good also, but maybe some people like a detachable one. I'm actually okay with both. And next we have this. What is this called? I forgot. Nope, I have no idea what is this called, but it's like a remote control to control 7.1 and stuff. And there's a clip there, USB port. And yeah, that seems to be all that's in the box. So okay, have a closer look, guys. Adjust the lighting. Wow, soft. I really think I won't regret buying this. Feels so premium. Like the Steel Series ones, they are made of plastic, so I saw online that it's actually quite easy to break them, and this guy, he actually broke 2 in 1 year. So at Linus Tech Tips, I think I saw it. Yeah. So over here it's a braided HyperX made of leather, full leather, and here is a soft spongy material that I think, yeah, it'll be very good for your head. And this ear cuffs, they are soft, ergonomic, and I think they won't hurt after gaming for quite a long while. So yep, premium device at a very affordable price. So yeah, so that's all for my review. Bye.